What about the Chinese? Would they have any reason to want to hurt your club?
Not that I know of. I'm a very big fan of their food.
Are we done here? Can I go?
Yeah, just stay reachable. I'm sure we can all work together to keep Charming safe and profitable for everyone. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
We should connect later, Scotty.
There is a new sheriff in town. Apparently, she's looking for a profitable relationship.
And that good old Glasby's in hunting.
I'm gonna let you guys handle all the humping. Borowski called while all this shit was going down. There's trouble at the docks.